Now we turn to Indy, where it's another rough QB situation. Scott Tolzien and Jacoby Brissett, those are the options that Chuck Pagano has under center, and we saw what happened to Tolzien against the Rams in Week 1. He was not good at all, and the two split reps at practice again today. We don't have an indication of who will start in Week 2 for the Indianapolis Colts against the Arizona Cardinals. Do you think Brissett should get a shot?
Yes. Small sample size. Wasn't even an appetizer of sample size. But, Tolzien, you can't turn the football over. Those turnovers created 14 points for the opposing team. You were down before the game actually started. Let's give a guy an opportunity who we traded for.
Right.
We know what you will get from Tolzien. I don't think he can weather the storm until Andrew Luck is back. Let's go with Brissett. Let's see what he has. Because you've seen this story from Scott Tolzien before. You know how it will end. It's not going to end good for you. Let's go with the unknown, because sometimes the unknown is more attractive. When you know what you're dealing with, you know what you're going to get from this player, I mean, it's going to be a bad ending. Those are the type of movies I don't want to see. I know how every Freddy Krueger movie will end.
And it was a Freddy Krueger movie in Week 1 for Scott Tolzien.
Yeah.
Two pick sixes against the Rams, and he got nothing going offensively. I agree. Give Jacoby Brissett a shot. He at least was able to hook up with Dante Moncrief for a bomb in that game. Can't be any worse than Scott Tolzien. No doubt about that. Chuck Pagano, what are your thoughts on this situation?
No, we have not.
Will you divide up snaps differently? Will you divide up the practice snaps differently starting today?
Yeah, we'll work both guys. Both guys will get reps just like they did last week.
You'll just see how it goes throughout the week and then decide who to go.
Yeah, just to be clear, you mean both guys will get some first team reps? Is that what you're saying, or just
We'll work both guys, yeah.
You understand why I'm confused, though?
You have to be right now. Bear with me.
All right, I got you.
You understand why.